These woodworking gadgets are going crazy on Amazon in 2026 because they make jobs that used to take hours feel ridiculously easy. Tools built to cut cleaner, work faster, and give you precision without the struggle. The kind of gadgets that, once you see them in action, you instantly want in your workshop. If you like carpentry or DIY, these tools are going to blow your mind. The links are in the first comment. Like and subscribe because these are not normal tools. There is a big difference between cutting wood and cutting it with confidence. When you are building, renovating, or fixing something at home, hesitation ruins the flow. The DeWalt DCS391B is a powerful cordless circular saw designed to make every cut feel smooth and controlled. It moves through wood and panels with strength and speed, helping you finish faster without fighting the tool. The lightweight yet durable base keeps your lines steady, while the comfortable grip gives you balance and control even during longer projects. Need angled cuts? It adjusts easily, so you can shape and customize without switching tools. Blade changes are quick, so you stay focused on the build, not the setup. Reliable, portable, and built to handle real work. A serious upgrade for your workshop, priced at $129. When something needs to come down, you do not want to struggle with weak tools. You want power in your hands. This 7-amp reciprocating saw is built for real cutting jobs at home, in the garage, or on a renovation project. It moves fast and cuts through wood, metal, and even tougher materials with steady control. The variable speed trigger lets you adjust the intensity depending on what you are cutting, so you stay in control instead of forcing the blade. It comes with 5 different blades, ready for furniture repairs, remodeling, or breaking down old structures. Swapping blades is quick and simple, so you keep working without losing rhythm. Strong, practical, and surprisingly versatile. All that cutting power for just $37.79. The difference between a clean finish and a messy one often comes down to the smallest details. When you are installing trim, assembling cabinets, or working on delicate decor, visible nail marks can ruin the entire look. The KEENTECH 23-gauge pin nailer is designed for those precise finishing touches. It drives ultra-thin headless pins that leave tiny, almost invisible holes, keeping your surfaces smooth and refined. Powered by an air compressor, it delivers fast, consistent shots with minimal jams, so your workflow stays uninterrupted. The lightweight aluminum body feels balanced in your hand, and the double safety trigger adds peace of mind while you work. With 2,160 pins included, you are ready to start right away. Professional level detail without the premium price tag at $58.99. Perfection is never an accident. It happens in the sanding stage, where rough edges turn into smooth precision. This mini electric belt sander is built for makers who care about the final detail. Crafted entirely from stainless steel, it feels solid and durable, ready to handle wood, metal, acrylic, and more without wearing down easily. The compact size fits perfectly on your workbench, giving you full control while shaping blades, refining edges, or smoothing small pieces. Its double bearing system keeps the movement steady and helps protect the motor from dust, so performance stays consistent. Even during longer sessions, the reduced noise design keeps the environment comfortable. Adjustable anti-slip feet add stability, or you can secure it directly to your table for extra firmness. A serious tool for serious results, available for $105.44. Nothing feels better than running your hand over wood that is perfectly smooth. When edges are uneven or doors refuse to close properly, frustration builds fast. The WEN 6-amp hand planer helps you fix that in minutes. Designed to shave down surfaces quickly and evenly, it removes rough spots and high points with impressive precision. You can adjust the cutting depth easily, giving you control whether you are fine-tuning a cabinet door or leveling a stubborn board. Despite its power, it feels lightweight and balanced, so longer projects stay comfortable. It even lets you create clean grooves for custom details. Dust collection keeps your workspace cleaner, and everything you need comes in the box. A simple upgrade that transforms rough lumber into polished results for just $39.50. Wood carving stops being a hobby the moment you feel true control in your hands. When shaping curves, hollowing surfaces, or refining details, precision changes everything. The ARBORTECH power carving unit is a variable speed angle grinder designed specifically for woodworking creativity. With 6 adjustable speed settings, you decide how aggressive or delicate each movement should be. The leveling guide helps you control depth and achieve smooth, even surfaces, Whether you are sculpting bowls or flattening wide panels, its enhanced sanding capability and slightly flexible pad allow refined finishing without harsh transitions. The integrated chip collection helps keep your workspace cleaner, so you focus on shaping instead of sweeping. Built to power ARBORTECH accessories seamlessly, this tool transforms raw timber into expressive forms with confidence and control. Serious carving performance that commands respect. Available for $299. There is something powerful about drawing with fire. The texture, the depth, the permanent mark that turns plain wood into art. The YIHUA 939D-7 wood burning station gives you that control with a true 2-in-1 system. One pen is perfect for fine lines and intricate details. The other handles broader shading and deeper burns for bold contrast. Both heat up quickly and let you adjust the temperature depending on the material. Whether you are working on wood, leather, cork, or more creative surfaces, the digital temperature display helps you repeat your favorite settings with precision. With dozens of interchangeable tips included, you can experiment with textures, patterns, and effects right away. It even comes with practice wood pieces, so you can refine your technique before starting your final piece. A complete creative setup for $84.99. After a few tubes of sealant, your hands start to ache, and the finish never looks as clean as you imagined. Big projects demand consistency, not sore wrists. This cordless electric caulking gun changes the entire experience. Load a standard 10-ounce cartridge, pull the trigger, and let the motor deliver a smooth, steady bead while you guide the line. With 4 adjustable speeds, you control the flow for tight corners or long exterior seams. The built-in anti-drip system pulls back automatically when you release the trigger, keeping your workspace neat and your results sharp. 2 rechargeable batteries mean you can keep working without interruptions, and the integrated LED light helps you see clearly under sinks or behind fixtures. Less strain, cleaner lines, faster progress. A smart upgrade for serious home projects at $59.99. Fine dust has a way of spreading everywhere, clogging filters and turning a simple project into a cleanup nightmare. Instead of letting debris reach your vacuum, the Dustopper PRO captures it first. This low-profile dust separator fits on a standard 5-gallon bucket and pulls dust and debris into the bucket before they ever hit your vacuum filter. The result feels immediate. Strong suction stays consistent, and you stop wasting money on constant filter replacements and vacuum bags. Its industrial-grade seal creates a tight, leak-free connection, so there is no messy setup or complicated installation. The included high-flow elbows help maintain smooth airflow for better separation. Designed and manufactured in the United States, it is built with quality in mind. A smart way to protect your equipment and your workspace for $59.98. Heavy glass and large tiles can turn a simple install into a risky moment. One slip, and everything changes. The SEESII 21-volt electric suction lifter gives you the confidence to move serious weight without straining your body. In just a few seconds, its high-power motor creates a strong vacuum grip that holds up to 440 pounds. You place it, activate it, and let the tool do the holding while you focus on positioning. The built-in pressure sensor automatically maintains suction, so the grip stays secure during the lift. A bright LED display shows pressure and battery status at a glance, keeping you in control. With 2 rechargeable batteries included, downtime is not part of the plan. Double button control prevents accidental release, adding an extra layer of safety. Professional level lifting power for $159.99. Hanging a shelf should feel satisfying, not stressful. But guessing where the studs are can turn a simple upgrade into a damaged wall. The PREXISO 2-in-1 stud finder with laser level takes the uncertainty out of the process. It detects the solid support behind your drywall, helping you anchor shelves, frames, or cabinets exactly where they belong. At the same time, the built-in laser projects a straight reference line, so everything looks aligned and intentional. No crooked frames, no unnecessary holes, no second attempts. Compact and easy to handle, it fits naturally in your hand while giving you clear visual guidance. For small projects that deserve clean results, this tool delivers confidence without overcomplication. A practical upgrade for your toolbox at $24.99. Strong joints are the difference between furniture that lasts and projects that loosen over time. When you want tight, professional-looking joinery, precision matters. The Woodpeckers Mortising Jig helps you cut clean, perfectly centered mortises using your plunge router. Instead of guessing measurements or adjusting by eye, you align the built-in stainless steel scales, lock everything in place, and start routing with confidence. The vertical clamping table holds square, round, or irregular pieces securely, while the smooth, phenolic surface lets your router glide with control. Designed for loose tenon joinery, it gives you consistent results that fit beautifully every time. Solid construction, accurate guides, and thoughtful engineering come together in a tool built in the United States for serious woodworkers. If you value clean lines and lasting strength in your builds, this precision upgrade is waiting at $249.99. A dull blade does not just slow you down, it ruins clean lines and precise cuts. Sharpening should feel controlled, not like guesswork. The Saker Honing Guide Kit helps you lock in the right angle so every pass across the stone sharpens evenly from edge to edge. Designed to hold chisels and planer blades securely, it adjusts to fit common sizes and keeps them firmly in place with a solid metal bolt. The widened roller glides smoothly, giving you stable, balanced movement without tipping or wobbling. Built from durable aluminum alloy, it feels substantial in your hand and stands up to years of use. The included diamond sharpening stone offers both fine and coarse surfaces, so you can restore and refine your edge with confidence. A sharper tool means cleaner work and greater satisfaction, all for $31.44. Old paint, stubborn glue, dried varnish, they cling to surfaces and turn simple projects into exhausting battles. Instead of sanding for hours or dealing with harsh chemicals, this ergonomic carbide scraper gives you clean control. The ultra-sharp carbide blade bites into unwanted layers with precision, lifting them away without digging too deep into the material underneath. Its textured handle and rear support knob let you use both hands comfortably, applying steady pressure without straining your wrists. Because it scrapes instead of creating clouds of dust, your workspace stays clearer and easier to manage. From cabinets and floors to glass, metal, or concrete, it adapts to the task in front of you. Durable, corrosion-resistant, and built to last far longer than traditional blades, this small tool delivers serious impact for $19.99. Sharp edges can make a project look unfinished. That slight rough corner is often what separates amateur work from a clean professional feel. The Saker Chamfer plane helps you refine those edges quickly and with control. Designed to trim and bevel wood surfaces, it lets you smooth corners and create consistent chamfers in just a few passes. The adjustable cutting depth allows you to decide how subtle or pronounced the edge should be, depending on your design. Built-in level bubbles help you keep everything aligned, so your cuts stay straight and balanced. Compact and comfortable to hold, it feels steady in your hand, even if you are new to woodworking. The durable carbon steel blades cut efficiently, while a protective edge guard adds extra safety. For cleaner lines and sharper results in your projects, this smart addition costs just $33.99. Tiny measurement errors can turn into big frustrations once the cut is done. Instead of guessing with a ruler and adjusting over and over, these precision setup bars give you exact reference points in seconds. Designed for routers and table saws, each solid aluminum bar is precisely sized and laser engraved for quick reading. You simply place the bar against your blade or fence, adjust to match, and lock it in. For more complex setups, stack the bars to reach the measurement you need without complicated calculations. Every piece is 3 inches long and built from durable anodized aluminum to protect your tools while delivering consistent accuracy. The fitted case keeps everything organized and ready for the next project. Faster setup, cleaner results, and greater confidence at the workbench, all for $39.88. One small angle mistake can throw off an entire project. Crooked cuts, uneven joints, wasted material. Precision should feel simple. This premium multi-angle Carpenter square helps you mark and measure from 0 to 90 degrees quickly and accurately. With preset angles like 22.5, 30, 45, 60, 67.5, and 75 degrees, you can lock in the exact position you need using the included angle pins. The laser-engraved markings stay clear and easy to read, even after heavy use. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it feels solid yet lightweight in your hand, with a smooth finish that glides across wood surfaces. Whether you are working on furniture, trim, or renovation projects, it brings confidence to every line you draw. Reliable accuracy without overcomplication for just $14.85. Cutting thin strips on a table saw can feel risky and inconsistent. One wrong move and the piece shifts, or worse, kicks back. The going make. Thin Rip Jig helps you create narrow, repeatable cuts with far more control. It slides directly into your miter slot and positions in front of the blade, guiding each pass so every strip matches the first one. The one-way roller bearing allows the wood to move forward smoothly while reducing the chance of kickback. Laser-engraved scales in both inches and millimeters make adjustments clear and precise, so you can dial in the exact thickness you need. Built from durable metal and designed for repeat accuracy, it turns delicate ripping into a confident process. Cleaner strips, safer cuts, better workflow, all for $26.79. A project is only as strong as the pressure holding it together. When glue is drying or pieces need to stay perfectly aligned, weak clamps create gaps and frustration. The Horus Die 6-piece clamp set gives you reliable holding power for woodworking and home repairs. With a mix of 6 and 12-inch bar clamps plus spring clamps, you have the flexibility to handle small assemblies or wider boards. The reinforced nylon body and hardened steel bar feel sturdy without adding extra weight. A quick change button even lets the F clamps convert into spreaders in seconds, expanding your setup options instantly. Non-slip pads protect your surfaces while delivering firm pressure up to 150 pounds. Practical, versatile, and built for repeated use, all for $29.99. Sometimes the smallest tools keep everything in place. Whether you are holding a backdrop, securing glued pieces, or stabilizing a quick repair, you need clamps that grab firmly without damaging the surface. This 20-pack of 4.5-inch heavy-duty spring clamps gives you reliable pressure in a compact design. Made from durable nylon, each clamp features a strong internal spring that delivers a tight hold the moment you squeeze. The flexible soft pads protect wood, fabric, or delicate materials from scratches, while the textured ergonomic handles make them comfortable to use again and again. Lightweight yet sturdy, they are easy to keep nearby for workshops, crafts, photography setups, or home fixes. Practical, versatile support in a bundle that costs just $14.39. Angles are where most trim projects go wrong. You measure, you guess, you cut, and the pieces still do not meet perfectly. The Lexivon 7-inch aluminum miter saw protractor takes the uncertainty out of that moment. Built from thick anodized aluminum, it feels solid in your hands and resists bending or rust over time. The smooth internal mechanism rotates effortlessly, giving you accurate readings for both inside and outside corners. Clear laser-engraved scales make it easy to read and transfer your measurement directly to the miter saw, so you can cut with confidence the first time. No complicated calculations, no wasted material, no repeated adjustments. Whether you are installing crown molding or fine trim, this tool helps you get clean joints without frustration. Precision that protects your time and materials for $24.97. When you are on a ladder or moving between rooms, digging through a toolbox wastes time and focus. You need your essentials right at your side. The Klein Tools. Tradesman Pro Tool Pouch keeps your most used tools organized and within reach. With 9 thoughtfully arranged pockets, it holds pliers, screwdrivers, testers, and other daily gear without feeling bulky. The durable ballistic polyester construction stands up to demanding job sites, while the 2-inch tunnel loop fits securely on your belt for a stable carry. There is even a dedicated tape strap, so nothing important gets left behind. Simple, practical organization that moves with you and keeps your workflow smooth. A compact upgrade for serious tradespeople at $19.99.